Another cool car, the 1958 Morgan Plus 4 Roadster. Orange over white, numbers matching 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, long-term ownership. This one's got a 4-speed manual transmission, and it's a little diamond in the rough.
It is a diamond in the rough.
Yeah, but a great little fun British cruiser. That's something that you can enjoy. It's not a lot of money.
It's unusual. It's somewhat unusual in the British market. I mean, there's not that many of them.
You're not going to see many at the car show.
That's right.
That's for certain. So,
and I'm not sure orange was its original color.
I can't imagine it was, but go Vols. So
that's right.
Another new arrival.
Flyers, by the way.
Yeah, Flyers. There you go. Are they in yet, or
tonight's the night?
Tonight's
they
the
take
night.
it.
They're taking it. So we've got a prediction. Steve was a soothsayer over here now.
Right.
So.